According to Consumer Reports, these brands deliver better engine longevity, fewer repairs, and a lower cost of ownership over time. Compared to Toyota, if you're looking for a stress-free, long-lasting vehicle, these 6 brands are worth considering. 1. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, consistently ranks above Toyota in reliability. This may seem surprising since they share platforms and powertrains, but Lexus implements higher quality materials, stricter manufacturing processes, and enhanced durability testing. One of the main reasons Lexus outperforms Toyota is its conservative approach to technology. Unlike other luxury brands that integrate complicated, failure-prone features, Lexus prioritizes proven engineering. This results in fewer electrical and mechanical failures, giving Lexus an edge in long-term dependability. Lexus is also known for its legendary engines. The 3.5L V6, 2.5L hybrid, and naturally aspirated powertrains are among the most durable in the industry, often lasting 300,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. Unlike Toyota, Lexus vehicles come with higher-end components, such as more refined transmissions and better insulation, which extend their lifespan even further. Another reason Lexus beats Toyota in reliability is its dealership experience. Lexus owners report better service, fewer warranty issues, and quicker repairs compared to Toyota. The cost of maintenance is also relatively low compared to other luxury brands, making Lexus an attractive long-term investment. According to Consumer Reports, Lexus consistently ranks as the most reliable luxury car brand, making it an excellent choice for buyers seeking both luxury and longevity. If you're looking for Toyota's reliability with enhanced refinement, Lexus is the clear winner. 2. Mazda. Mazda has quietly become one of the most reliable automakers, even surpassing Toyota in key areas. Unlike Toyota, which has moved towards turbocharged and CVT-based powertrains, Mazda has maintained simple, naturally aspirated engines and smooth-shifting automatic transmissions that require less maintenance and fewer repairs. Mazda's SkyActiv technology improves fuel efficiency without adding unnecessary complexity. The 2.0L and 2.5L SkyActiv engines are among the most durable 4-cylinder engines in the industry, with many examples surpassing 250,000 miles. Unlike Toyota's newer CVT transmissions, Mazda continues to use conventional torque converter automatics, which last longer and provide a smoother driving experience. Another reason Mazda outperforms Toyota in reliability is its Japanese manufacturing quality. Many Mazda models are still built in Japan, where assembly precision is superior. This results in tighter panel gaps, better interior materials, and fewer reported defects compared to Toyota's US-built models. Mazda also avoids overcomplicated infotainment systems, a weak point for Toyota. Many Toyota models suffer from laggy touchscreens and software issues, whereas Mazda's rotary-controlled infotainment system is simple and highly reliable. According to Consumer Reports, Mazda has consistently ranked higher than Toyota in reliability. With its combination of dependability, engaging driving dynamics, and high-quality craftsmanship, Mazda is an excellent alternative for buyers looking for a fun and reliable vehicle. 3. Honda. While Toyota is known for reliability, Honda has often outperformed it in several key areas, especially in engine durability, hybrid technology, and interior longevity. Honda's 4-cylinder engines are some of the best in the industry, with models like the Civic, Accord, and CR-V routinely surpassing 300,000 miles. Honda's transmissions, particularly its continuously variable transmission, CVT, have also been more durable and refined compared to Toyota's newer CVTs. Another area where Honda beats Toyota is hybrid technology. Toyota's eCVT hybrid system, while efficient, has had issues with battery longevity and electrical failures. Honda's 2-motor hybrid system, used in the Accord hybrid and CR-V hybrid, has been praised for its seamless performance and long-term durability. Honda also excels in interior quality and long-term wear resistance. Many Toyota owners report fading dashboards, brittle plastics, and outdated infotainment systems. In contrast, Honda's interiors, especially in models like the Accord and Pilot, feature higher quality materials and better craftsmanship, resulting in less wear and tear over time. According to Consumer Reports, Honda consistently ranks higher than Toyota in reliability. If you're looking for a reliable, fun-to-drive, and well-built vehicle, Honda is a great choice. 4. Subaru. Subaru might not be the first brand that comes to mind when thinking about reliability, but in recent years, it has consistently outperformed Toyota in several key areas. Subaru's success lies in its symmetrical all-wheel drive (AWD) system, robust boxer engines, and long-lasting components. Unlike Toyota's AWD setups, which are often front-wheel drive-based and electronically controlled, Subaru's full-time AWD system is designed for maximum durability and stability, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and those living in harsh weather conditions. One of Subaru's biggest advantages is its naturally aspirated boxer engines. The 2.5L four-cylinder boxer engine, found in models like the Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek, is engineered for longevity. While previous generations of Subaru engines suffered from head gasket failures, recent improvements have made them far more reliable. In contrast, Toyota has shifted toward turbocharged and hybrid engines, which can have higher repair costs over time. Another key factor that gives Subaru an edge over Toyota is its superior AWD durability. While Toyota's AWD systems are often designed for occasional use, Subaru's full-time AWD is always engaged, distributing power evenly for better traction. This means fewer drivetrain failures and less wear and tear over time. Subaru also offers stronger resale value than many Toyota models. The Outback and Forester, in particular, retain exceptionally high resale prices, often outperforming Toyota's RAV4 and Highlander. Additionally, Subaru's EyeSight safety technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, has been praised for its effectiveness and long-term reliability, unlike some of Toyota's finicky electronic safety systems. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power consistently rank Subaru above Toyota in overall reliability. Thanks to simpler engineering, rugged AWD capabilities, and improved manufacturing, Subaru has become a brand that can outlast Toyota in long-term durability. 5. Acura. Acura, Honda's luxury division, has not only matched Toyota's reliability, but surpassed it in multiple areas. Known for its high-performance engines, durable transmissions, and upscale build quality, Acura has consistently outperformed Toyota and even Lexus in some reliability metrics. One major advantage Acura holds over Toyota is its engines. Toyota has recently transitioned to small turbocharged engines and hybrids, which can introduce complexity and maintenance issues. Acura, on the other hand, continues to use naturally aspirated V6 engines, like the 3.5L V6 found in the Acura MDX and TLX. These engines are renowned for lasting over 300,000 miles, requiring fewer repairs compared to Toyota's newer 2.4L turbo engines. Acura also beats Toyota in transmission durability. Toyota's push toward continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, has caused concerns among consumers regarding longevity and high replacement costs. Acura still offers smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmissions, which are more durable and provide better performance. This makes Acura a better long-term investment for those who prioritize a smooth and dependable driving experience. Another area where Acura excels is hybrid technology. While Toyota's hybrid systems are well known, Acura's Sport Hybrid system, as seen in models like the Acura MDX Sport Hybrid, has proven to be more refined and reliable. Unlike Toyota's eCVT hybrid system, Acura's dual-motor hybrid setup offers better fuel efficiency without compromising long-term durability. Acura vehicles are also built with higher-end materials than Toyota models, making them more resistant to interior wear and tear. Many Toyota owners report dashboard cracking, plastic fading, and infotainment glitches after years of ownership. Acura's interiors, in contrast, use premium materials that age gracefully, ensuring a luxurious feel even after years of use. Finally, Acura's resale value remains strong, thanks to its reputation for reliability and luxury. Many Acura models, including the MDX and RDX SUVs, hold their value better than Toyota's equivalent SUVs, such as the Highlander and RAV4 Prime. According to Consumer Reports, Acura consistently ranks above Toyota in overall owner satisfaction, engine longevity, and mechanical dependability. If you're looking for Toyota's legendary reliability, but with better performance, luxury, and durability, Acura is the clear winner. 6. Hyundai Genesis. Hyundai and its luxury division, Genesis, have made significant advancements in reliability, now surpassing Toyota in key areas. Over the past decade, Hyundai has transformed its reputation, proving that its cars are just as durable, if not more so, than Toyota's offerings. One of Hyundai's biggest strengths is its powertrain reliability. Toyota has been moving toward downsized turbocharged engines and CVTs, while Hyundai has refined its SmartStream engines, which are designed for long-term durability. Hyundai's naturally aspirated 2.5L and 3.8L engines have been praised for their robust engineering and minimal maintenance requirements. Hyundai also uses conventional automatic transmissions, which have fewer failure points than Toyota's newer CVTs. Hyundai has also introduced a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is far superior to Toyota's 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. This gives Hyundai buyers more peace of mind and proves the company's confidence in its reliability. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury brand, has also been a standout performer in reliability rankings. Unlike Toyota's luxury division, Lexus, which sometimes struggles with infotainment glitches and electronic failures, Genesis models have consistently ranked higher in dependability. The Genesis G70, G80, and GV70 SUVs outperform their Lexus counterparts in long-term durability, interior quality, and fewer reported repairs. Another key factor that sets Hyundai apart is its use of high-quality materials. Toyota has been criticized for using cost-cutting plastics and lower-grade components, particularly in its budget models. Hyundai, however, has taken a premium approach, even in its standard vehicles, making them more durable over time. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power both rank Hyundai above Toyota in reliability surveys, showing that Hyundai's long-term dependability is no longer in question. With high-quality engineering, a superior warranty, and better technology, Hyundai and Genesis have officially beaten Toyota in reliability. While Toyota has long been considered the gold standard of reliability, brands like Subaru, Acura, and Hyundai, Genesis, have now proven that they can outlast, outperform, and even surpass Toyota in key areas. Whether it's engine durability, AWD capabilities, luxury build quality, or long-term cost savings, these brands provide better reliability and peace of mind than Toyota. Do you own one of these brands? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car insights. Thanks for watching.